Hey guys, I'm Summer. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are enjoying some of these videos. I kind of started this on a whim during quarantine and just decided to start living out my passion as far as moving towards the direction of interior design, decor, and DIY. And it's made me so happy, and I'm so excited that it's kind of rolling in motion and that I have wonderful friends and people that are supporting me and liking these videos. If you do like these videos and you want to see more, please help a sister out and subscribe to my channel. It takes 1 second and it would be such a big help. Moving on to our project, I have been mentioning to you that I am working on an entire apartment makeover for my dear friend Jonas. We are doing his whole entire place. We're doing it room by room, and I can't wait to share with you guys the videos. Please stay tuned for those. You aren't gonna wanna miss them. We're still waiting on some really big furniture items to come, but in the meantime, I wanted to share some DIYs that we've been working on for the space. So in Jonas's living room slash dining room that we turned it into, we wanted to create a little separate nook for like a dining space, because right now it's just one big room. So we wanted to give him a little bit of like a dining nook. We also, to achieve and create that look, we wanted to hang a light fixture above the dining table. However, there was not an electrical outlet in the ceiling, so we didn't care. We made do with our own. We found this beautiful light fixture on Wayfair. I will link that item below. And I'm going to show you how we hardwired it to be able to plug into the wall. So learn how you can do this at your own space if you don't have an electrical outlet in your ceiling. I'm going to show you how, don't worry. Thanks for watching and check it out. So I'm at Jonas's place right now, and you can see that we are doing some finishing touches here. We found this awesome light fixture that we got on Amazon. We loved it so much, it kind of went with our whole vibe, but it was one of those light fixtures that has to be hardwired to the ceiling. And Jonas here is he's helping teach me a lot of new tricks on this project. But we are gonna hardwire this to, yes, we have this cool, what is this thing called?
This is gonna be just a plug.
It's just a plug, guys. So basically, instead of how you would like cap these off and have it hardwired to the ceiling, there's like a little thing inside that you tie them off. So this will be able to hang from the ceiling, and we'll use a cool decorative wire that we got, and we'll like loop it, and that will just plug into the wall like a standard light bulb. So check out our process as we get this hung up. We drilled a hole through the side of the ceiling mount so we could thread through our electrical cord. This light fixture came with 3 different lengths for the height of the light fixture. We chose the one that worked best for us, and now Jonas is threading through the wires from the light fixture up through that tube and out of the top. Now the cords from the light fixture are threaded through, and our decorative electrical cord are threaded through. We're using now a wire cutting tool to strip the wires, where we will then cap them off. We took our decorative cord and cut it to our desired length for our space. After cutting it, we now have 3 separate wires. Using a standard plug from any hardware store, we now are wrapping and screwing the wire around each screw. So one wire is going on the left, one is going on the right, and one is going on the top. You can easily see here now how all 3 wires are separated and how each wire is getting screwed to a screw. So one on the left, one on the right, and one on the top. Okay, truth is with us. Is this gonna work? I hope. Yes. Oh. Is it... Ah!